Let's hang it on the tiger. It will look nice on him.
No, don't do that, don't!
That's done. Let's go home now.
After all these years, I get to be something that to a tiger? Huh. Now I shall teach them a lesson. I'll become the most dangerous tiger!
Beam catch. Hey, you have lost a point.
Hey, this seems to be the bone of a big animal. Come on, let's dig all around here.
Look, I found a leg here. And here's the arm.
Well, let's join them all together and see.
Oh, this is mine. It had fallen off here. Come on, return it to me. No, this is mine. Oh, don't fight. Huh? Let's hang it on the tiger. It will look nice on him.
No, don't do that, don't!
That's done. Let's go home now.
After all these years, I get to be something that to a tiger? Huh. Now I shall teach them a lesson. I'll become the most dangerous tiger!
Hey, look! The tiger has come alive! Hurry up!
Run fast, Jolo, run fast.
This is one big tiger. We joined his bones, that's why it came alive.
Is this true?
Yes, Your Majesty. We must do something about it quickly.
No. Don't do this, Beam.
Hey!
What? Hey, huh?
Oh, so you can speak also.
You can't make the same move again and again. I am a lot more than a tiger.
Aha! Now I understand. But why are you so angry with the humans?
Because I have waited a long time to become a human once again. And now, because of you people I have turned into a tiger, you will be punished for this.
Go far away from here. Hooray!
Oh my God! Oh, what is happening? What is happening? Help! Help! Somebody help me!
Just look at his clothes.
He looks absolutely crazy.
He's mad. Chase him away.
Keep quiet. This is my house and he's my guest. He can stay here as long as he wants.
That was the wrong button. I made a mistake.
Hello, my name is Chutki. Who are you, sir? And what went wrong?
I am a scientist. And by mistake, I have traveled back in time. I belong to the future, which is nearly 2,000 years ahead of this time.
2,000 years in future?
Yes.
You must be joking. How can anyone travel 2,000 years from his future? I hope you're fine.
Chutki, please believe me. I have really traveled 2,000 years back in time.
I will have to call Bhim. He will be able to help you. And then when I searched my bag, there were only stones. And I could not find any laddus in there, except those which Bhim was eating.
I have this strong feeling that it is this Kalia who has my time machine. He must have definitely used it to steal the laddus from Chutki. I have to meet this Kalia. I will ask him to return the machine back to me. Will you take me to Kalia, please?
Yes, why not? But I don't think he will return it to you.
How can you be so sure?
You will get to know yourself.
Get out from here and take this old man too along with you. Haven't you guys heard? The Maharaj himself is so pleased with me. If I complain to Maharaj about you, he will punish you and throw you in prison. So get out from here. I say get out.
But Kalia, have you forgotten that Maharaja likes Bhim more than you? He will never do this.
I had told you, na, that Kalia will never return the time machine.
Please don't get worried. We will go and complain to our Maharaj about Kalia. He will surely help you get the time machine.
But we do not have so much of time to waste. Kalia can do anything till then. He can also crown himself king. We have to do something fast and stop him.
What you are saying is right. We will have to beat Kalia at his own game.
Can you use the time machine and become the king?
Yes, I can do it and I will do it. It is high time Dholakpur should get a new king.
Wrong. What Dholakpur needs is a big prison for you three cheats. Kalia, got it?
Bhim,
Give that time machine to me.
is that so? If you have the guts, take it away from me. I will never return it back to you. Please stop. I beg of you.
Stop it, Bhim. Please stop. We have got the time machine. Let's go. I will use this button to return back to my time 2,000 years ahead.